the machine has run out of material and stopped working. There's some sort of obstruction. Something is preventing these lines that run up to the mezzanine, to our central loading system, from getting material. The door that would close to create vacuum and draw plastic into the loader is blocked by something. Is that a glove?
Material might fall out when you pull it.
This table is where the material from the dryer comes in through the bottom and then goes out through the top to the machine. So you literally plug in the machine. See, here you go. Plug the machine in to the dryer that's feeding it. Somebody left one of these off like this, and the glove literally got sucked up the pipe. That's probably what happened. You know how I know this? Hey, look! There's the other glove!